Carl Bradford from Chaparral Motorsports. I'm here with Steve from Seizmik, and right now we're going to talk about the Pursuit mirror. Now, what makes the Pursuit mirror better than the Strike mirror?
So the Pursuit mirror is better than just about any other mirror that's out there. It's all cast aluminum, it is nearly indestructible, and it has Delrin bushings in it so that when you smack something like a tree or you roll it over, the mirror folds in and you push it back and it goes right back to where you had it set before. The glass adjusts independently of the housing, so you never have to fiddle with it again. You don't have to look at it to get it to go back to where you had it before. So when you're driving on the trail, you hit a tree, it folds in, push it right back, it goes right back to where it is. You don't have to think about it at all.
Now, what about fitment? What does this Pursuit mirror fit?
So we make the Pursuit mirror in a couple of different models, and between all those models with different clamp sizes and different fitments, we can put it on pretty much any vehicle that there is. We've got clamps that fit specifically on the formed roll cages on like Can-Am Defenders and Polaris Rangers. We've also got 1.75-inch round tube clamps that fit Razors and lots of other vehicles, 2-inch clamps for a lot of the Can-Am vehicles, clamps to fit the Honda Pioneers. We've got all the bases covered so we can fit all the most popular vehicles.
And there you go. If you're looking for the best mirror for your ATV, UTV, or side-by-side, Seizmik has it with the Pursuit.